job, Evan. You doing your buckle? You do the left side.
I don't know mine. No, Mommy, I went down. I went down, Daddy.
Good job, Evan. You did it. Good job. What is this? You want to do it again? Want to do more? Want Mommy to undo it again? Here we go. Ready? You say buckle. Turns it the right way. Gets everything turned the right way.
Okay.
Good job. Here's the right side. Now I gotta do the left side. Left side, that's right, left side. Good job, Evan.